Hi everyone, welcome to Z's Kozikwana podcast, and here is your host Z.
Hi, this show is dedicated to visual artists,
Performing artists,
literary artists,
or other types of artists to share their stories,
experiences,
and challenges they face in the entertainment industry.
So, if you are one of those artists, then ulinda ntoni? Kindly follow us on our social media platform and join the conversation. Let us be the voice of the voiceless. Let's create a supportive community where everyone can win.
The saga continues. Stay.
Hi everyone. Let's get cozy with Sim. Let me call you Sim.
That's also fine. That's also good with me.
Yes. Ngicela usitshele kancane nje ngawe ukuthi uSim ubani wenza. In fact, who is Sim?
Okay, so uSim ne ngokwegama is uSihle wakwamdlalo. Actually, the SIM is my initials.
Okay.
Yeah, so the tornado is there's this incident ne yenzakalile. I used to do rap and ciphers yabo back in the time. So like how I got this name Utornado, it is actually because of my aura, I think yabo. So mangifika lapha kula macipher lawo, it is actually dal because I do music, right? I'm an artist.
Yes.
So it is dal yabo. A crowd like beat down and stuff. So mangifika lapha na nambing namaline nyana yabo. I feel lapha and then when to shy and the crowd really about revamped. I was like, hey, I fade. And then this guy pulled me aside. I was like, you know what, dog? Indlela ufike ngayo ufike ngathi uyitornado kahle, understand? So you were too good to be ignored.
Exactly.
So that's how I took the name Tornado, and then so the SIM is Sihle Mdlalos, and then the Tornado. You know, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great.
And
Yeah, it is. It's,
but
yeah, it's very nice and unique. Like, yeah,
the combination I called.
yeah, it is.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Ute, we artist. Do you have something on us yona just?
Okay, you mean by like a song, a verse,
a
or
song.
something?
Yeah, anything.
Okay, can I do this? There's this song of mine that I written because of stereotypes, yabo?
Okay.
What's a kasi? You understand? I actually do I'm a piano, but it's mainly like deep house nyana. So
Right.
okay, so ingoma yakhona it's okay. Let me sing it for you first, and then uzongitshela ukuthi ngizokuchazela after ukuthi ithini. Okay, sharp. So it goes like this, ne? Yekeke, bagcine behleka, welele, bathi uzothemteka ukuthi uyekele, we nokwenzayo. Abantu ngeke bakwenzele lutho skorokor ngizofika la nyakho ngiyafiwa kule dolobha abantu bayachoma ukulinda kuyakhokha waphuthuma saholi bayeke ngoyekeke okunina kuzobona yekeke, you know. So yeah,
Amazing.
that's a piece nyana. It actually talks about like you don't really have to like put all your faith ebantwini ukuthi when I do this thing umuntu uzothini or mengenzani,
Yeah,
understand?
ne?
Because abantu angeke bakwenzele lutho after all. You win, they're gonna talk. You lose, they're gonna talk.
Exactly.
So yeah. So that's how I wrote the song actually.
As it. Wow,
Yeah,
nice voice.
Thank
I'm
you.
impressed. Very nice.
Ngiyabonga.
Okay. Yini eyenze ukuthi uchoose music?
Okay, so me, I grew up in a township whereby abantu bada they like kunabo lover baningi man yabona, like abo lover. Do you know what's a lover, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so I feel like you know what, let me be the voice. Okay, besides abo lover, I feel like, you know, it's my duty to be like the voice of the people who can't speak. Not for the deaf, but yeah, for everyone.
Yeah, I understand.
You understand?
When you say the voice of the voiceless.
You get it. So yeah, I feel like, you know, let me make it my priority to actually like speak out. Isn't that yabo? Yeah, because khona abanye abantu abanokufela ngaphakathi into enjalo, like, you know, because my music, it's rare for me to sing about my life. It's always about like, you know, and then some people can relate. Yabo. Yeah. So I actually make music for the people.
Oh, like ubona something enzakala estradeni and then you sing about
And then I
it.
voice it out.
Okay.
Or someone afike kimi athi ungitshela umkhosi athi yo yazi Sihle, it's okay. Sasa.
Let's la.
So that's how I actually write my music.
As it.
Yeah.
Okay. ngikhohle ukuthi bengizokubuza ini, but then like besides music, what else are you doing?
Okay, I'm actually starting right now. I'm actually upgrading actually. Yabo. I passed my matric, but I wanna go further. Ngifuna ukushaya medicine. Yabo. So
Dokotela.
you know, so yeah, nakona I just love learning. Not that medicine is like a career ukuthi vele yabo. Yeah, I also like financial management. So yeah, but for now, I just feel like, you know what, I'm interested in chemistry and stuff. So you know what, let me just do medicine and then uzoba mnandi. So I'm currently starting right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then ama-bookings, uyathola ama-bookings ukuthi uyoperforma kuphi
Yes,
kuphi.
yes, I do get bookings. Yeah.
How difficult is that?
It is difficult, I won't lie. But yeah, uyazi ukuthi bathini ne wavula lo mnyango lo uzovula lo omunye. So it's
Yeah,
always like that.
Is it?
Yeah, but yeah, if people can give me a chance, then it's try. You know, and a lot of people did, and then yabo, that's how I'm maneuvering right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
I-PE artist othi mawuyibhekile ubona ukuthi wow. If ungafika la.
Tingbo. Let me think artist that I used to, yabo, because now I just look at myself and be like, you know what?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm my own role model now.
Wow.
You know, saying role model, yeah, man.
Wow.
You know, let me just say artists that I used to. It was this guy called Usprengel. We come from the same Gasi, actually. You know, that guy is really dope because I used to listen to his music. He's the one who actually like made me write the way I write. Yabo.
Okay.
But he's the guy who would say like bengibukela kuye qala, you know. But now I'm just like, you know what? Mina usihle uhleke ukuyenza into so izolo. Tomorrow ngizoyenza leyo nto le. So yeah, so I'm basically my own role model now. Just pushing myself to be better
Ne?
than what I was yesterday. Yeah.
That's good. That's powerful.
Yeah, boy.
So like you can artist engolo ke wasebenza nayo.
There's a lot actually. There's a lot. Do you know this guy Talaisi who actually made a song abathi imniki?
Nike.
Yeah, there's a song Haike Ike Gatum.
Oh, not this is old Nike.
Yeah, not the old one. Not the old one. Yeah, so yeah, I actually worked with him and I worked with Bonandi Pa 808. I actually worked with a lot, to name a few, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
So kwi industry,
Uh-huh.
this side of music ne. If ungaphiwa I chance ukuthi you know what, like this side akakabikho chance yokuthi ungangena. So choose any other side onga
Go industry umculo.
kwi entertainment industry.
I'd actually go for acting. Yeah, I think it's because of like my style sign because Gemini fella. So not that I know how to pretend, but I just feel like, you know, I yeah, I just feel like, you know, I can try to actually be many characters. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, by the way, I'm an artist like from being a musician umbona seke we acting or
we understand.
Most of the time it's like that.
It's actually having ikazli arts.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Just mozalwe na uzalwe nayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. That's
But yeah.
great. So, khona something oyiphekayo like khona into ezayo like khona into oyipreparayo or
Yes, khona into ezayo. There's you see the song Bengicula la?
yes.
Yeah, the one. I'm actually planning to release it. It's just that I haven't found an actual date. But it's on the way. I'm cooking it and ngifake na vocalist elishisayo.
Allah.
But it's a surprise though. Yeah, but yeah, that's the project that everyone had to be looking forward to actually.
Sevula indlebe njalo.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay. Then how difficult it is like uku recorder funa ma gigs
Okay.
like everything, how difficult it is.
Okay, ngichaza ama struggles wakhona le. It's difficult, I won't lie, because yazi ne eKasi there's actually kuneyithele eziningi yabo nonyatso oluningi, so like so omunye umuntu nje angeke azakubhuke because ukhule nawe.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the fact ukuthi ukhule nawe ngeke azakubhukha ubone ukuthi hayi cabanga uzobhukha wena sikhule sonke dog hayi singilanda umuntu esePitori.
Yeah,
You
ne.
understand? Not forgetting ukuthi if siyahlangana will actually sithatha igas lethu silisa on
Yeah.
sal
another
khuphukisa, you
level.
understand?
Yeah.
But oh well, it's fine. But for me, I feel like it was never a thing ukuthi it was hard for me. Not that I'm ignorant or whatsoever, but nje I'm just taking it one day at a time. Ngihamba ngepace yami, yabo? Yeah. So if into ngiyithola, I'm like, you know what? Shoot akusona isikhathi sami vele for now. So it's like, you know, it's fine. So it's not that difficult for me, if I could say. You know, yeah, I'm actually going
I
at
can
God's
see
grace.
like it goes back pha kule ndawo le usithi you are your own role model.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
The confidence, Baba. The confidence.
but yeah, though I'm just taking it one step at a time. I'm like, you know,
Yeah,
what, if angiyitholi angeke ngize ngiyistresse yabona ngithi yo, you know what, if I give up angiyoyibulala angeke, you know, it's fine.
Like you wait until, like you always say, into inesikhathi sayo.
Yonke into inesikhathi sayo and everything happens for a reason.
Exactly.
Understand? So ukuthi laphayana uzoforced to go perform abakape ngamabhodlela.
Have you ever been in that
Never,
situation?
never.
Okay,
Never.
oba gig whereby like kube nomuntu like kube something like
Oh,
that.
I've been. It actually, you know what happened? There was this gig being now. It was they say at that place is dangerous, you know. Kusetele na yabo pub somewhere Bramfisher. Yabo okay fine job. Labantu laba mabafuna kusibamba inkunzi besijiva nabo kahle kahle. Yabo mabasikana namaha bathi ka yabo he.
Yeah, they were waiting. you.
Ane fresh. So sa performer. Okay, now it's time to vibe. I think umuntu omosha izinto is this other DJ obengidlalela yabo because mengise stage so wangibiza wathi kimi na asivaye no yabo. Ubekasayini ukuthi sesiyahamba. Only to find out ukuthi masiphuma kunenkwankwa yamapantsula nje ngaphandle lapha ya. Hi, okay. Uba yethi yona ngeke ikhuphukise lapha yana.
Because obvious bayazi ukuthi ku dangerous.
Exactly. Yabo. So it's mele wena Uber. We're like, you know what? Asirasheleni ku Uber fast. Afida always. Ekhoneni mase siceda ukuthi baze and baningi sho labantu ababo my 25 to 30.
No ways.
Baningi. And balokhu bayavumbuka ngathi bayamila somewhere. I'm like, hala noma ngathi uyayilwela ayikho into ozoyenza yabo. Luckily we were able to escape angazi kanjani ngentando kaNkulunkulu awona.
Abantwana ba 25.
Angazi nami
That was a miracle.
Yeah, it was exactly it was a miracle because mina ngilande umuntu nomuntu makane 4 yakhe 5 yakhe because besingathi besi 4 or 5 it 2 yabaleka sasala su 3
Yo.
so the 2 level iyazi ukuthi kunjani lapha yana yabo because bahlala khona.
Oh.
So thina asazi we are new there.
Nina nihamba ni relax.
Yabona thina si relaxele sayibona amampansolo like you know abantu ababana sibinda ikafana. Let's just vibe. Balanda thina laba sababalekile sabamba le. Yo. Like you know what asitile nabo kahle yabona some but labantu abalaba babhemela izinto abasibhemile if angazi but I think bamosha ne culture yamapantsolo because back then amapantsolo mawangabambi inkunzi and stuff yabo it was all about fashion and style. Now it's bad. But we were able to escape. Nambe ngwazile ukuphunyuka kwabantwana abawu 5 angazi kanjani and then my other friend was able to escape. I don't even know ukuthi whatever that I did ngiwayenze kanjani but yeah. On top of that bengiphethe imali namafoni in my bag. Sabang. So yo
But laban laba by 20 bazange bathatha next.
nix. They didn't azange bathole anything because I remember pushing 2 of them because mabo 5 ne. I remember pushing 2 of them and then laba bangibamba bese ngekho mina angazi kanjani.
Mfethu nawe ngiphunyuka bemphethe.
Yeah, yabo. So ngiphunyeke kanjalo actually otherwise angabe hayi. So mayabona bese sinikeza amagama sithi singabe uphunyuka bamphethe asisho nje.
Yeah,
Yabo
ne?
literally. But yeah.
So how do you avoid that? Like ukuthi uye kwi endaweni ezoba dangerous kanjalo like
You know, South Africa say dangerous yona vele already yabo. I think it's a thing ukuthi manje you have to minimize indawo hamba kuzo. Yabona mawubona ukuthi vele this gig I dangerous and manje uyabona nemali abazokubhadala yona. You need your life is important.
yeah, izaqala.
Yabo so manje sengibonile ukuthi no, mangibona kahle ukuthi le ndawo le angiyazi and I dangerous angiyi. Ngamane bangikwatela ayi.
Ne?
Yeah, so that's the only way to actually like minimize it and then trust your gut feeling because from the first bengi doubt le ndawo leya ngilongibuza ukuthi siyakuphi kahle bathi awungawara sami it's hayi okay siyakuphi hayi okay sharp yabo kuyenzakala lento yenzakalile no sengizosila into engifilayo sengizohamba ngayo I swear
That's bad.
Hayi.
That's the bad part.
Yabo.
Ukhuluma ngemali ukuthi if ubookiwe somewhere ubone ukuthi like you can't compromise for imali engaka. Indaba yemali, is it about ukuthi ubukwe ubani or ubukwe kuphi or like
Yes, yabona those two things, they actually yize izinto vele semqoka ukuthi ubukho ubani ubukwe kuphi. You understand? Because there are some people ukuthi vele ukhule nabo, but business is business. So ukuthi angeke uzoba guide discount nyana uthi amanye azina 50% off akufana yabo.
and obvious nabo bazoyifuna i-discount. Amfethu usakwazi
Mfethu
sonke.
amathona mfethu yabo uthana ezingasenzeka kanje yabo. Yeah, but nendawo kumele ubheke ukuthi okay, i-crowd ezofika lapha yana ngaba i-crowd engakanani vele. Yabo if i-crowd vele izoba iningi then you know angeke nawo ukhama omunye umntana if izoba incane uthi hayi ngifuna 2000. Knowing very well ukuthi kuzoqhamuka abantu abancane and iphinde hambe futhi nange experience. Lo muntu lo ngeke hosta before. Bokugcwele kangakanani kanjalo kanjalo.
Okay, you guys nibheka ukuthi i-experience
yalo
muntu obukhayo ne, and then bona babheka ukuthi i-experience ukuthi wena ubukwe kuphi like uperform.
Exactly. So it's like that.
It's a win-win.
So it's so sometimes if at all like a guy doesn't know about you or azange azakusearch uzokunyatha yabona athi mara mantwana ingikuzwile somewhere zwakala, understand, angazange azashaya background check. Yabo, so a lot of people basha ama background check bakubhuka abazi ukuthi vele bafunani go, abanye nje sabasuke bekudelela like bangafuna mhlawumbe ukubhadala the price that you named whatsoever, you understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mouse stage, how do you like make audience ukuthi like how do you catch
audience?
Yes, attention yabo, because like if usihleli lapha especially kunotshwala mfethu mina ngizokubheka yani like, so how do you do that? How do you like
mina ne thingikutshele mina
tornado?
into engisizayo
Uyitornado vele.
mina thingikutshele into engisizayo I think uyutshwala laba abaphuzayo.
Is it?
Like umculo nguwenzayo ufuna abantu abadakiwe vele yabo. Okay, now unless I'm doing so full vele into zothando vele ya, but the music le engiyenzayo estrata vele ukuthi nje from instrument isangena udakiwe hayi usenkingeni uzongilalela uthanda ungathandi. You know, sometimes you won't even listen ukuthi ngiculani because udakiwe, so you'll enjoy the flows engizana nama melodies nescope.
Oh, lapho right again.
Yeah, ngibafuna la
According to what you did.
thola.
Is it?
Yeah.
Kahle awunandaba noma singathi sidakiwe akabe kancane man uthona ufuna kanye.
I've never but angaze ngathola crowd enjalo, to be honest. Like a crowd ukuthi there was this time whereby being performer abanye abantu mesebalele lena like bokuwa about 12 o'clock I think 11 abanye mesebadakiwe bamanzi mengiperforma ne, like bese ngivule eyami event lapha yabo kungesena abantu nezitulo bongameli basicashe because mokukhona mina hlahla ngoba bazekelile.
Okay.
But yeah, so like always when I perform I make sure that it's perfection, and to think ukuthi ngisaseyingane I used to be like scared of a crowd yabo from a school way yabona mokindaba zama speech nani yokingisaba. And then I was like, you know what, I think ngifundise lana ukuthi uvalo man lunga exist, you understand. Yes, uvalo it shows ukuthi umuntu uyaphila nawe yabo, but I taught myself at a very young age ukuthi as I said abantu angeke bakwenzele next, you know, when I do your thing and then yeah ukuthi bona ba react kanjani it's fine yabona mozona ke reaction yabo it's shy for you, I won't lie. It's shy for you, so do whatever that comes to your mind. Yeah, yenza. And then yeah, that worked for me because njalo mengenza lento engithi ngiyayenza bambavuma nabo. I was like oh well kuyahlangana. And then the most important person is uNkulunkulu. Yes.
Wow.
So yeah.
Wow.
So abantu mengiphethe lento lezi mengiphethe i-confident uNkulunkulu it's changeke bangenza
Safe.
ngisafe
Safe.
ngi-right. Yeah, bangaza ngiyibhamu nani ngi-right namapansula i-50 bangeza ngi-right.
Nalaba bayi-25 bangeza la. Bazofika ready.
Ngi-right mina ngi-ready ngizalwe ngikanje vele yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was created by the men above, so wonke umuntu ufika powerful nje emhlabeni. We understand. Yeah, wonke umuntu ufika powerful emhlabeni. Yeah, it's just then nje kusuke kuwe ke
Kuya depend ukuthi power yakho isebenzisa kangakanani, but wonke umuntu une power.
Wonke umuntu ufika ane power.
Okay.
And wonke umuntu ufika ne talent ukuthi akwazi ukuziphilisa ngalo. Like everyone, wonke umuntu uNkulunkulu uyasho na ukuthi indoda mele inakekele ikhaya lakhe, right? Hence that's why sinikeze sonke ama talent. Omunye umbona kwazi ukuyenza izinto ngezandla, omunye it's all God's thing. Neculu uku-actor, it's all God's thing. Ukuthi wena uzozinakekela, because God never mentioned isikolo or ini. So makazi wenzani makasigama talent esonke individual. Angafani. Kuthi wena uyosiphilisa ngalento leyo.
Then it's up to you ukuthi uyihandla kanjani yakho.
Exactly.
Okay.
You understand? So imali yakho, just know as much as imali kuyimpando yesono ne, but money is aligned with God. As soon as your spirituality noNkulunkulu ingahlangananga, angeke uyibone imali yakho. I won't lie. It's either more na angeke uyenjoy, because your spirituality with God is not aligned.
Okay. Kunabantu emakhaya like the young, young ones abazitshelayo ukuthi okay, before that uqale nini ukucula hle?
Ngiqale ukubhala 2017, 2016 I think. Ukubhala.
Yes, yeah.
Hip hop, and
17,
then
yes.
I was doing ngaqala ukurecorda grade 8. Yabo, and then I took music serious. I think ngasho ukuthi 2020. Yeah, till now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before ubhala urecorder bekenzakalani before? I mean, like, how did you see ukuthi hayi manje nginalo ledlozi leli la lento le? Yeah.
It was a thing ukuthi angazi man, but I was so interested in music. Ngisase ingane ne, my parents used to tell me ukuthi bengijwayele ukukhala ngithi ngifuna ukungena TV cabanga.
Wow.
Like ngifuna ukungena, like I thought me like uyemva kwe TV lesong ngaphakathi yabo, but mengiyemva kwe TV ngiyabona mana kunesigubhu esinye esikhulu ngena kanjani lapha. So I used to cry a lot and say ngifuna ukungena TV. So I think ngizalwe nayo lento lena, so I always knew ukuthi vele mina ngisazalwa nje mengikhala kahle kahle mina mengiphuma esenzini saka mama bengakhali bengicula mina.
Hayibo wena.
Yeah, but yeah, I feel like, I don't know, it's just the feeling very easy nje, you know.
Yeah, hence I'm saying idlozi.
Yeah, and then when you see that you are capable of writing such things, noma nje usaqala ubhale into ezincane, and when you see that, you know what, I'm able to write something like this, let me take it further. So yeah, that's what happened to me though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I started writing young things, poems. Plus, I mean, I've been English, very hip hop. And then angathole emunye intwana nje ekasi, wangintroduce ku piano, boom, house piano. Now I'm making a living with Leo piano Leo.
Okay, the time bowusesemncane ubuyenza into ukuthi, for instance, uzwe I artist icula, then like
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You know, like as a person, I feel like you do need to get inspired. Yeah, you do need to get inspired, because if I would be inspired, can't be wrong.
Okay, there are kids about like some bathi ngifuna, in fact boda abasho nokuthi ngifuna ukuba artist. Umuntu uvesena athi, for instance, ngifuna ukuba nguNando.
Oh,
ngifuna ukuba nguTornado, mangikhulile ngifuna ukuba uTornado, mangikhulile like obvious masithi ufuna ukuba uTornado, ufuna ukucula, and abasesebancane, then bekhona laba abadala kubo, abadalanyana, like abasebebona ukuthi okay fine, I really want to do this, but then like anginandlela, like I don't know ukuthi yes angazi steps sokuqala ekumele ukuthi ngisithathe, then ungathini kubo?
I'd say like wonke umuntu unayo this thing, I gut feeling. Yabona if uzela idea yokuthi, you know what name, athi ngapproach someone osona man, yabo maybe ngimtshele ngempilo yami kanje nakanje, yabo ungathola ukusizakala. What I want to say to them is, don't be afraid to fly.
Okay.
Yeah, don't be afraid to fly, because opportunities are always there. I won't lie. Like ningafika endaweni ne ningazani, mhlambe nibo my 100, 40 yonke sholi yacula, 40 or 30 the amafeno umculo. You never know. Hence that's why I'm saying voice out, mokuthi khuluma uzokuthola usizo lapho nalapho. Don't be scared. Yeah, don't be scared. Into engayisho ukuthi nje ayi uvalo lahla.
Yeah, you remind me of someone uthi bekehleli nama artist, but knew very well ukuthi if ngahamba ngiye kubo ngifike ngithi ngicela ukungiculela or like ngizintroduce ukuthi ngiyacula in so uthi the only thing ayenzile yena uvesene waphakama from his chair waya straight kubo ecula like
yes and I think it has something to do with pride futhi
yeah
you can get your pride aside novalo ngiyakujenta
so uthi uvesene wabayenzela lento le instead of telling them
so shuthi umsebenzi wakhe uyo umkhulumeli
yeah and from there bamuphi attention ke
yabo when uyangifeel you understand ukuthi ngithini yes yabo into ngilongisho la lo
okay then where do you see yourself in
the next
few years?
You know what I wanna do now? I actually wanna. Okay, I'm doing music to actually make money. Okay, no, nakhona ngiyawuthanda vele umculo yeah. But my aim is to actually like ngifuna ukuzibona nginama foundations like cancer, about drug rehabilitations, yabona into enjalo because where I come from, there are a lot of people who ngiyababona ukuthi bayasafara. You know, so I actually wanna. There's nothing engifuna njengokudlula ukusiza ila ngiphuma khona. You know, yeah, that's the main thing.
That's older than you, Faith.
That's
older than you.
But yeah, that's my point actually. Yabona mesingaba like I don't want people to call me king right now because if I'm a king, then mabangeke baphile njengama slave. You understand? So rather mina ngibe a slave so that all of them can be kings. Abantu engiphuma kubo because siyaphilisana kahle kahle yabo. Awusikhulisanga wena, ukhuliswa abantu ohlala nabo. Usangahlangana nomuntu nje onyatswa yibo ubani afika akutshele something usitshela ukuthi nje uyayihlanyela but le nto le iphinde kusize futhi so uthi ukhuluma into ogowa through yona so uyitholile usizo from yena. You understand? So umuntu ngabantu kahle kahle. You know, so me I'm ngumuntu because of abantu engiphuma kubona nanikhaya lakithi, you know, things like even Mr. M, my manager, you understand?
Yes.
So uSimthonado nje, it's not just me. There's a whole lot of me's in me, kahle kahle. Yes. So it's not about giving back, but it's something that I think in Kulena I've always wanted to do that. Yeah, like nje, I maybe you can call it good to but yeah. I just don't like it mengibona umuntu ukuthi ngikhule naye or mina ngiclean and then omunye umuntu akekho clean. It's not nice actually yabo. So ukuthi omunye akazenzi. So ukuthi kulapho yabona sometimes maybe usukuzenza but awubona ukuthi uyazenza. You know, so just help out where you can. Ngicabangeli wena wedwa.
Now that you mentioned him, how is it working with him?
It's okay, siyacabana la sicabana khona ne.
Yeah.
But
Abantu abaxabanayo ngabantu abathandanayo okay. If anithandani, trust me, never.
You know, so he's like I don't know, he's like a combination of a father, a friend, a brother, like uhlangahlangene ngesikhathi esiyi-one.
Into yonke.
You know, yeah, so but we've been working good our own life. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Wow. T, because of iskhathi, what else do you want to tell us before Sivala?
Okay, ngini ngayisho cuz nani okay ngikubonga nina kahle kahle no for the welcome gesture. It's been a nice talk online.
Okay.
And thank you very much. I ain't doing ngayisho nje for nina.
Okay, nathi siyabonga ngokuthi uzile.
Okay.
Siyabonga kakhulu man like hopefully after what you are cooking sizophinde sikubone futhi so that like sizova. Oh, before Sivala again, umuntu ofuna ukuzwa umusic wakho utholakala kuphi?
Oh, go Instagram ne. You can go kuma okay, on Spotify go Simthonado, Apple Music Simthonado, and then if you really want to talk to me, you can just easily DM Angmaizani. Like I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not using imali.
Ladies.
Ngemali.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind. So yeah, you can just text me, DM me, go Instagram, and the real Simthonado. Yeah, it's
SIM.
Yeah, it's real, and then it's SIM_Tornado.
Okay.
Yeah, and then go Facebook, I'm Sinti Tornado. Yeah, then yeah, more from Kulam uzothola kulawo page lawo.
And then nama bookings akhona la.
I'm a booking. You can start by texting or calling 0614336045. Then it's okay direct. I mean,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can you
Thank
have one,
you. Siyavuya ukuba siyasaba nawe. You are older than your age, man. Isn't those khulumayo?
A lot
Much
of
older than your age.
a lot of people say that, and I'm only 19. But it's fine.
Yeah, you
But
you are.
kuyafuneka.
Yeah, but you are 38. Guys, thank you so much. It was good.
Yeah.
It was good. Thank you so much, guys.